mga Junakis! Welcome back to Manoline's channel! But now, it's part 2! So, ngayon mga Junakis, since na-miss namin yung pagbablog ni Isabella, look at Isabella, she's a big girl now already. You say hi! Hi!
Hi!
Ayan. So, ngayon ang gagawin namin mga Junakis, syempre, magpaganda uli si Mami Lynn. Dahil taga-stress. So, now mga Junakis, konting make-up. Pictorial tayo ngayon.
Mami, ato din, Mami.
Oo. Pero ngayon, mag-pictorial tayo mga Junakis. Gawa tayo ng panibago natin, content, panibagong vlog. So, nakakamiss din mag-vlog. So, remember yung before kong vlog, Mami Lynn's channel, baby pa si Isabella. Now, tignan nyo, nangingialam na siya ng mga pang-makeup ni Mami Lynn. So,
Puyo, Mami.
yeah. Thank you, Isabella.
Hindi ka, Mami.
Oh, you're welcome. She know how to speak English already. Yan. Galing ni Isabella. Yeah, it's
Puyo,
enough.
Mami.
Huwag mong galawin.
Puyo.
For you.
Puyo, Mami. Puyo.
It's okay, Isabella. I'm okay.
Mami, puyo. Puyo. Puyo, boom, boom. Beep, beep, boop. Mami, oh. Mami! Hina mo, Mami.
Huwag mo yan sirain kasi makeup si Mami Lynn.
Mami, alam natin, Mami.
Sus. Ayan. So, minsan mga Junakis, hirap ba? Nakalimutan na ni Mami Lynn kung paano mag-apply ng makeup. Pero it's okay. Gusto ko naman yung simple lang. Ayoko naman yung sobrang kapal, di ba? Baka magmukha naman akong
Ma!
So, ako okay na ako sa konting kilay kasi yung kilay ko is
Mami,
napakanipis.
did it mine. I did it for you.
Thank you, Isabella.
Hello, Mami.
Very good. I love you.
Mami did it for you.
Thank you. I love you, I said.
Did it for you, Mami.
Ayan. Ayan. Medyo nabuhay na yung mukha ni Mami Lynn. This is for you. Where's my eye brush?
Oh,
Oh
did it
no.
for you.
Thank you.
For you.
O, diba? Ang galing.
For you.
For you.
For you, Mami.
How did you know
For you.
I needed someone like you in my mind?
For you, Mami.
Oh my goodness, hindi ko na alam yung lyrics.
Butan mo yan.
Yeah, open. This is flashcard.
Okay. For you.
Who are you?
Mami, for you. Mami, for you.
Yeah. Bakit mo
Bye.
siya kinalat? Huwag mo siya ikalat.
Oh. For you.
Oh.
Mami, for you. For you, Mami.
Always for me. How about for you?
For you, Mami. For you. Mami, di
Bili
ka
tayo ng lip.
For you, Mami. For you, Mami.
For you.
Mami, for you, Mami.
Yan, hindi pantay.
Di pantay?
Yeah.
Pantay? What happened, Mami?
Yeah, ginuguhitan ko, hindi ko napantay.
Okay, so
Now
for
you say what happened? What happened? Where's my bag? I forgot my bag downstairs, Isabella.
Tingnan mo yun.
Try this one.
Bye, Mami. Bye-bye, Mami.
Bye-bye, Mama Lane.
Bye-bye.
Huwag mo iligpit kasi hindi pa ako tapos.
Mami,
Wait, guys. Ayan, mga Junakis. Natapos na ako mag-makeup. Simple lang kasi hindi naman makapal ako mag-makeup. Parang gusto ko yung natural lang din. Basta medyo mag-glow lang yung blush on, yung cheek mo. Yan. Konting pula lang. And then, magkaroon ng buhay ang iyong mga kilay. Kasi, wala akong kilay. Tapos, medyo hindi talaga bagay sa akin yung mga gantong lipstick. Dapat talaga sa akin mga parang maroon or red ang kulay. Hindi ko alam kung okay na. Bella, my name is beautiful.
Other than
Ah, you are so beautiful. Oh, you smile. Okay. Oh, you bye to all the Junakis. Bye mga Junakis. See you our next vlog. Thank you for watching. Hope continue watching Mami Lanes and subscribe. Okay, bye. See you next
Bye-bye.
time.
Good night.